Today, let's dive into the topic of public health. It's such a broad field. How would you define it in simple terms?
I'd say public health is about protecting and improving the health of communities, not just individuals. It's like a team effort for everyone's well-being. What's your take?
I agree. It's interesting how public health covers everything from vaccination programs to clean water access. Have you seen any recent public health initiatives that stood out to you?
Actually, yes. The push for mental health awareness has been really impactful lately. It's refreshing to see mental health treated with the same urgency as physical health.
That's a great point. Mental health often gets overlooked. Do you think public health campaigns are effective in changing people's behaviors?
Sometimes. It depends on how relatable and accessible the message is. If it feels too distant, people might tune out. Personal stories often make a bigger impact.
Speaking of messages, how do you think social media influences public health today?
It's a double-edged sword. On one hand, it spreads information quickly. On the other, misinformation can go viral just as fast. It's like a health roller coaster online.
Exactly. That's why public health professionals have to be proactive online. Shifting gears, what role do you think government policies play in public health success?
They're crucial. Laws about smoking, food safety, and pollution directly shape health outcomes. Without strong policies, even the best campaigns might fall short.
True, but sometimes policies face resistance. How should public health officials handle that?
Education is key, but so is listening. If people feel their concerns are ignored, they push back. Building trust can be a slow process, but it's necessary.
Trust really is the foundation. Have you noticed any cultural differences in public health approaches globally?
Definitely. Some cultures emphasize community health more. Others focus on individual responsibility. Understanding these differences helps tailor effective strategies.
That makes sense. Finally, what do you think is the biggest challenge facing public health in the next decade?
Probably balancing emerging tech with privacy and equity. We want innovation, but not at the cost of leaving people behind or invading their privacy.
A complex challenge indeed. Thanks for this insightful chat. Hopefully, listeners feel inspired to think more about public health's impact on their lives.
Absolutely. Maybe next time, we can explore how individuals can actively contribute to public health. Until then, stay curious and healthy.